Now we will discuss female genital system of pigeon. It consists of a single ovary and oviduct. Oviduct is also termed as Mullerian duct. Now you can see the size of ovary, it will vary according to the season. Also initially during the embryonic development there is left ovary also present. Left and right ovary, both ovaries were present, but during the development one ovary will degenerate and only left ovary will remain, and there will be only vestige of the right ovary and oviduct. इसके सिर्फ vestige रह जाएंगे. जो left ovary है that will be functional. It also has two benefits, because it will add into the adaptation, flight adaptations, by reducing the weight of the female. Also it will also save the calcium reserve of the body, because approximately 1/3 of the total calcium present in the body skeleton is required to lay 2 eggs. 2 एग ले करने के लिए जितना बॉडी के स्केलेटल सिस्टम में कैल्शियम है उसका 1/3 रिक्वायर्ड होता है. तो अगर 4 एग ले करने होंगे, अगर 2 ओवरी होंगे और 4 एग ले करने पड़ेंगे तो वो अमाउंट डबल हो जाएगा, एंड दैट विल बी नॉट दैट मच बेनिफिशियल फॉर द फीमेल. इतना कैल्शियम रिजर्व उसके अंदर नहीं है कि वो 4 एग ले कर सके, इसलिए सो दैट इज़ अनदर बेनिफिट. Now we'll talk about ovary. Ovary is suspended, that is a highly irregular structure which is having round protuberances over the surface, which will represent the developing ova at different stages. And this will hang from the ventral surface of the kidney by a mesentery which is termed as mesovarium or mystubarium. So an ovary will also secrete a hormone that is termed as estrogen. Now the next are oviducts. There will be a single oviduct again on the left side. Now it is divisible into several portions. That is a highly wide and convoluted tubule. You can see काफ़ी wide है और काफ़ी convoluted है, काफ़ी convulsions हैं इसके अंदर. Now there are certain portions. The first one is ostium. You can see this funnel-like structure is ostium, oviducal funnel. This structure is oviducal funnel, which is having a broader structure which is fimbriated, which is termed as ostium. Now this ostium will help in receiving the ova which are liberated from the ovary. Ovaries जो ova निकलते हैं, these are 2 ova, you can see 1 and 2. इनको ये रिसीव करने में हेल्प करता है. वाइड माउथ अपर्चर होता है ऑस्टियम किसका, ओविड्यूकल फनल का, विच इज़ द फर्स्ट पार्ट, एंटीरियर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द oviduct, which is shown here in purple color. Now the next part is this sky blue color में जो shown है, that is glandular part of the oviduct, which is also termed as magnum. It will help in secreting albumin around the ovum. ये जो ovum secrete हुआ है इसके चारों तरफ ये albumin secrete करता है. Now the next part is middle part of the left oviduct, that is isthmus. So this pinkish portion is isthmus, that will secrete the shell membranes around the egg. Egg के चारों तरफ inner shell membrane and outer shell membrane जो है वो excrete करेगा ये. उसके बाद जो next portion है, last portion, hind part is the uterus. Uterus will secrete the final calcareous shell, hard shell around the egg. ये calcareous shell को secrete करेगा. And this last terminal part is termed as vagina, which will secrete the mucus. ये mucus secrete करेगा, तो mucus secrete करने से क्या होगा, that will provide the easy passage of the egg. And now this vagina, it will open through a oviduct pore, opening of the oviduct, and egg will be laid to the exterior. So this was all about the oviduct and ovaries, that means female reproductive system.